Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Mova P50 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P50 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So a restart is different from a reset. This is going to be a simple power cycle where we'll be turning it off and then back on. So think of it more of like a reboot or a restart. So we have a power button front and center here out of our 3-button array. We're going to press and hold that for a second. And now we have the chime here, letting us know that everything's powering off. And we have our lights. They just shut off. We'll give it another second or two, just for good measure. Now we can go ahead, we can press the power button again for a couple of seconds. The lights came on, we can let go, it's flashing. And then we have our startup chime. The lights are still flashing. It's still initializing. And here we go. The lights are now solid. You may even hear your vacuum at this stage start talking to you if you have it removed from the station. But that's it. Simple and straightforward to restart or reboot your Mova P50 Pro Ultra.